Hey, what's up, guys? It's Wes. Thanks for tuning in. Who's Wes? Why are you watching this channel? Listen, fair enough. Stick around. I'll tell you who I am. Okay. So who am I and why are you here? So if you've watched any of my other videos, first off, thank you. And the comments I've been receiving have been amazing. Thank you. The personal message I'm getting, thank you. You're hitting up my Instagram at Wes Pauls or Mortgage Teacher Wes. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Listen, so why listen to me? Why hit this channel? I am a real estate investor, mortgage broker, entrepreneur. Anything there is to do about real estate, I can do it. But here's the difference between me, I believe, and other channels, is I'm not looking to teach you how to buy a product from me, and I'm not looking to teach you how to get 4,000 homes. I don't have 4,000 homes. I've never had 4,000 homes. I've maybe done 50 to 60 properties that I've lived in, purchased, built, flipped, holiday, like vacation rentals, cottage rentals. That's my portfolio. Okay, I'm an average guy who has a full-time job, 3 beautiful children, and a wonderful wife. I'm a busy guy. You're a busy person, but you still want to build wealth through real estate. Understand something too. I've been in this for 20 years, but before me, my father's a realtor. My brother was a realtor. Both my grandparents were president of the real estate board in my area. So I grew up in this. This is my DNA. I had no other choice. I didn't become a real estate agent because there are just way too many realtors in my family. I decided I was going to do the money side of things. But along the way, I've learned and understood and watched my grandfather. My grandfather used to build homes like crazy. He used to lend his money like crazy. I started learning from somebody who'd been doing it for 65 years. I have that in my DNA, and there was no escaping it that I was going to have to do this for a living. Because it's exciting. It's actually a great living to do it. If you can build wealth through real estate, I mean, I don't believe there's a faster way to get to where you need to go financially other than through real estate. I mean, you can get lucky on stocks for sure, but for me, it's real estate. So in 20 years of experience that I have, I'm hoping that I can show you the do's and the don'ts and what to look out for when it's your turn to maybe decide to invest your funds in mortgages, to maybe do a flip. Try your hand at renovating a property and selling it for a profit. It's not what it looks like on TV. And listen, I shouldn't say that. Sometimes it can be. Sometimes it goes out without a hitch, but sometimes it doesn't. And I want to teach you how to avoid those pitfalls. So that's what this channel is about. And what I used to do is take down old properties. So old distressed properties that are falling down anyways, take them down and build a brand new property. But instead of selling it, I keep it and I rent it and I build wealth through real estate that way. Many years go by, they pay the mortgage down, the value of the property's gone up, I sell the property, I reap the rewards, rinse and repeat. And we do that again and again and again. And I hope to be able to teach you how to do those things in a normal, average Joe kind of way, no glorified Lamborghinis, just a guy who's working and a guy who wants to teach how to do what I've learned. Why would I waste my time giving out free advice just to teach random people how to do what I do? Well, here's why. And here's the actual truth as to why I want to do this. I co-own a mortgage brokerage called Mortgage Teacher. It's called Mortgage Teacher because we're trying to teach and educate you about that specific mortgage that we're arranging for you. And so when somebody doesn't understand how this works and they come to me and I sit down with them and tell them and educate them and they go, oh, I get it now. It's actually a very rewarding feeling, right? There's something about educating somebody else and taking what you understand and what you know and passing it on to them and them going, I get it. And for me, that's rewarding. If I can help anybody else avoid pitfalls in flipping a property or trying to build a property or just becoming a landlord for the first time, how to check someone's credit, how to understand if you're getting the right tenant, how to price rent, little things like that can go a long way and help you obtain wealth through real estate. If you are interested at all in figuring out how this whole real estate game works, please hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification button as well because I'll be putting out new content probably every week or two. Remember, I got a job, so I'll be doing this kind of in my spare time, and realistically, it's not going to be every day. So let's try every couple weeks. Hit the notification button, you'll get notified every time I pump out a new video. I'm going to try to show real life examples, walk you through some of my current properties that I am tearing down or renovating, and maybe some overviews of my last few projects through photos that I have, and I'll go over with you and show you exactly what you need to do if you want to do the same thing. Okay, so understand that this channel is going to hopefully teach you on a regular level and a regular Joe, just like you are, like I am, and just hopefully get you inspired to build wealth in real estate. Okay, I look forward to seeing you guys soon, and we'll talk to you later. Cheers, guys. Oh, and by the way, it is completely not lost on me that my camera work and my lighting and my sound are absolutely subpar. But here's the deal. I know real estate. I don't know YouTube yet. I'm looking at a few videos. I'm new to this, but what I'm not new to is real estate investing. So hopefully, if you'll bear with me, the camera work and lighting will get better, the sound will get better. But as for now, hang in there. I'll teach you about real estate and not videography. Cheers.